You think your kitchen is busy? Mine's now a bustling metropolis for 2,000 crabs, each with 10 legs and a formidable claw. This isn't just a hobby. The transformation began by sacrificing my kitchen. Countertops and the dining area were cleared, making way for an ambitious aquatic vision. The introduction was nerve-wracking. My hands gently guided the first small batches of crabs into their new, sterile-looking homes. Stress shows itself quietly. A few tried to dig, then stopped. Some isolated themselves. Relocation shock affects even the strongest species. Not all stress is visible immediately. Despite perfect water and diligent care, signs of stress appeared. The vibrant life I imagined seemed to be slipping away. I introduced various enrichments, desperately trying to stimulate their natural instincts. I searched for balance, hoping to bring life back to the struggling crabs in their tanks. At first, everything looked still, too still. Post-molting, crabs are incredibly vulnerable, their soft new shells making them easy targets. Initial attempts to house them without proper care often resulted in distress and immobility. With extreme care, I transferred each soft-shelled crab into mesh-lined recovery chambers. A breakthrough emerged, a subtle shift. One morning, a tiny crab, previously inert, tentatively probed seaweed, its claws showing a newfound purpose. Soon, another crab began to scuttle with vigor, actively foraging the tank floor. In my kitchen, their renewed purpose was slowly nurtured. My camera zoomed in. A crab was eating, proof that adaptation was possible. Digging behavior increased. Shelter became essential. Activity evened out. Feeding became routine, not frantic. Conflict was rare. Movement slowed during rest cycles. Within these chambers, the crabs thrived, hardening their new shells and gaining renewed strength, ensuring their continued journey towards health and vitality. The living moved on. A system had formed.